Using JetBlue credit on Expedia is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your travel bookings. To get started, you need to have a JetBlue credit card and an Expedia account. If you don't have an Expedia account, create one by providing the required information such as name, email address, and password. Once you have an Expedia account, log in to access your account dashboard. From there, search for your desired flight by entering your travel dates, destination, and number of passengers. Expedia will display a list of available flights, including those operated by JetBlue. To use your JetBlue credit, select the JetBlue flight that suits your travel plans. On the payment page, you will see an option to use travel credits or vouchers. Click on this option and enter your JetBlue credit card details to apply the credit to your booking. Make sure to review the terms and conditions of your JetBlue credit to understand any restrictions or limitations on using the credit. Some credits may only be applicable to certain routes or travel dates, so it's essential to check the details before making a booking. If you have multiple JetBlue credits, you can combine them to pay for your flight. However, you can only use one credit per passenger, so you may need to use multiple credits if you are booking flights for multiple people. After applying your JetBlue credit, complete the payment process by paying any remaining balance using a credit or debit card. You will receive a confirmation email from Expedia with your flight details and booking reference. It's also important to note that using JetBlue credit on Expedia may not earn you additional TrueBlue points, which are JetBlue's loyalty program rewards. However, you can still earn points by booking directly with JetBlue or using a JetBlue credit card for other purchases. By following these steps, you can easily use your JetBlue credit on Expedia to book your next flight. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your credit and check for any restrictions before making a booking. With a little planning, you can make the most of your JetBlue credit and enjoy a discounted flight on your next trip.